Hello and welcome to Roosted. In this video, we'll introduce you to Grid View, a powerful tool for managing your daily shifts organized by worker. Like a spreadsheet, Grid View displays daily totals across the top and shows the total cost and hours for each worker on the left. To begin with, click on Scheduling on the left side and click on Grid View. Grid View uses 3 color codes. Dark blue represents solo shifts created directly in Grid View. Light blue indicates shifts associated with an event. Striped shifts are those that have not yet been published. To create a solo shift, simply click on the desired time slot. Grid View makes it easy to drag and drop shifts between workers and dates. Light blue event shifts are restricted to the same day as they are tied to an event, while dark blue solo shifts can be moved to any date. The filter button in the upper left corner allows you to choose which workers and shifts to display. For example, you can filter to show only workers with the server skill set. We'll remove the filter now to display everyone. Grid View also lets you assign workers to open spots within an event. For instance, if a day has 2 open spots, you can easily drag and drop a shift onto a worker's name. Additionally, you can edit solo shifts, add time punches, and modify custom fields directly within Grid View. Grid View is particularly useful for managing workers with a more fixed schedule rather than those who are on demand. Thanks for watching.